What is up, guys? Welcome to Barrookie. Today's video, we are going to continue on our journey to do the one arm pull-up, and for that I have been using the finger pull-up lately. So as you may or may not know, I'm on a journey to get that awesome strength feat that is the one arm pull-up. It has had its ups and downs with the tendonitis on the elbow, but we're back at it, and the main goal is to vary the exercises from time to time and progressively overload each and every exercise. And the exercise selection is predominantly asymmetrical exercises like archer pull-ups, commando pull-ups, and now we're doing finger pull-ups, which also puts more emphasis to one side rather than the other. And each of these exercises we have been doing weighted, because I believe that weighted calisthenics, weighted pull-ups is the key to get yourself stronger. And if you do asymmetrical weighted pull-ups, you're going to get there hopefully faster. I don't know. So let's talk about the finger pull-ups. We started out with the 3-finger pull-up. That means, let me get this wooden dowel here. That means that you have one hand completely on the pull-up bar, and then the other hand you only have 3 fingers. So basically on this side you're limited as to how much you can pull or how much weight you hang off of this, because you only have 3 fingers that hold you up. And you would say, is that really true? Are you really hanging off less here? Yes, because at one point this part here is going to start to hurt, and you're really like obligated to put less emphasis on this arm and put more emphasis on the other arm. So that way you train the other arm preferably more. And obviously you do one set on one side, one set on the other side, and you switch off and you increase the weight. So we did that, we got tired of it, and now we're doing the 2-finger pull-up, which is even more tasking. So basically the most difficult part of it is hanging on to it, because here you're tightening up these fingers, but at the same time you try to loosen up these ones, so you put a lot of stress on these 2 fingers here. So you really need to make sure that you put more strength into this one, otherwise you're going to just get very strong fingers. We don't want that. Well, we do want that, but we predominantly want to have a one-arm pull-up. So yeah, that's basically how it is going. We started out with a low repetitions, so 5 reps with just body weight, and then we added 9 kilos for 3 reps, and so on and so forth. Now we're at 10 repetitions for body weight, 5 repetitions for 9 kilograms, or for 11.5 kilograms. That's what you see here. And then also we are at 21.5 kilograms. We are doing 3 reps. So yeah, endurance here is the most tricky part, because you can put off a lot of strength on one arm and less on the other at a reasonably low rep range. But as the reps start to increase and you hang on that longer and longer, those 2 fingers really get tired and you really start to feel it. That's also a good indicator for your next set to know which fingers you used previously, because these ones will be sore, so you know you have to do the other ones. I really like this one. I really feel that the emphasis is obligated to be more on one side, and I really feel that I'm getting stronger in it. So the goal here is, now we're at a maximum of 21.5 kilograms. The goal is to keep increasing the weight week by week, so that eventually I hope to get to around 40 kilograms. That would be nice. And then maybe we can do that awesome strength exercise with the climbing gear and the pulleys. Now, obviously you could also use a towel. We haven't experimented with that one either. I also want to do that one, especially weighted, because for me, it's all about the weight. It's some people you see the progressions like, hey, you do 1 finger and then this is body weight, only body weight. And I feel like with weighted calisthenics, you can overload the system more and hopefully get more strength gains out of it. So that's basically the route that I'm taking, even though It takes me already, what, 2-3 years? Maybe 4? I don't know. But yeah, we still keep getting strong, we still keep getting at it, and that's basically the whole idea of this. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video, I hope you got something out of it, and I hope that you are now going to do the 2-finger pull-up, starting with the 3-finger pull-up to get yourself comfortable, then 2-finger pull-up in order to get your 1-arm pull-up game to the max. So I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!